Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we'll be discussing if you guys have a BMW X5. Many of you ask me if you have a code P0443 or code P0444 and you have a 6-cylinder engine, how to fix that. It will actually work on 8-cylinder engine, but the sensor will be at a different location, so make sure you stay until the end guys. We will demonstrate on N52 engine guys. This engine has been used from years 2005 to years 2015, depending on the model, generation, and configuration guys. So very popular engine on BMW. It has been used in many BMWs, 1 Series, 3 Series, X3, X5, 5 Series guys, one of the most popular engines I can think of. So if you guys have a code P0443 P0444 and you need to locate guys and replace your purge valve control solenoid, stay with us and we'll explain how to do that now. Quick introduction to the channel. Every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos specifically on BMWs. We'll be making guys probably close to 400 or 500 videos. Why? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys, so we can keep providing these free videos. So we have the engine here apart guys. Now practically you do not have to do any of that guys, but with things being apart I can demonstrate now a little bit better. We read a comment, some of you needed help with an X5 purge valve control solenoid replacement and fixing codes 443 or 444, so that's why guys we decided to actually make the video quick. So now this is your intake manifold. Okay, your intake manifold usually will be mounted to the cylinder head, right? But on the bottom of your intake manifold guys, this is the valve that we're looking at. This is known as purge control solenoid or vent valve solenoid. So it has two hoses. Okay, one goes to the throttle body and one comes from the fuel tank guys. Okay, this is the hose right here. So what it does, okay, on your BMW X5, when you have gasoline in your fuel tank, that gasoline expands, it produces fumes, vapors. And back in the day, they used to guys, they used to just pretty much be released in the atmosphere on old vehicles. On newer vehicles, the fuel tank is kind of like sealed to where it creates certain pressure. There is a sensor that detects how much pressure, and when there is enough pressure, it sends the fuel vapors from that hose to that solenoid. The computer tells the solenoid to open that valve, and they will be injected directly guys, in the intake manifold, and they will burn through the engine. That way the engine will be more efficient, you will not lose fuel, and you will not pollute the atmosphere guys, and the surroundings. So it will not smell like gas and everything will be great. But if that fails, you guys will get code P0443 or code P0444. And you can see where that hose is. So what we needed to do now, you don't have to remove your intake manifold. We remove the air filter box, we remove the intake boot that goes to the throttle body, and we had to remove our throttle body because we couldn't disconnect the hose. There is two things that you squish in, and you pull it out. Same thing applies to the bottom hose. There is one wire here guys. Let's find the wire now. This is the wire. You press in and it releases, and then it attaches to that metal mount. So you just slide it out guys, slide it out, and it comes out, and this is your purge control valve solenoid. So that's the valve solenoid guys, and that's how you remove it and replace it, just explaining guys what needs to be done. Now if you want to see how to test one, we'll have the video on the channel guys, and it explains all about that, how to test it from start to finish guys. So I'll try to put the link in the description of the video below, but if you don't see it, just search on our channel how to test purge control valve solenoid. Super easy guys, and it will tell you almost 99% if it's good or bad. So hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more help, and see you guys next time.